This is the Kidde Pro Series direct wire 120 volt smoke detector. This is just a smoke detector, a smoke alarm. This does not have the CO2 in it. Comes with a hush button. Hopefully it has a 9-volt battery. We'll find out. A test button and ionization technology, which I don't know anything about. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so this is the mount that goes into the smoke detector. These are your 3 wires. Comes with a manual with a user's guide. Seems pretty comprehensive. Oh, it comes with this. I don't know what that is. Tamper resist locking pin. So when it's on, you use that to unlock it. Comes with the smoke detector itself, so you can see the 3 prongs right there go along with this. Just like that, that's how it plugs in. Then you've got these punch outs here that will match hopefully your existing electrical outlet. Then we've got a installer, do not remove dust cover until all construction has been completed for at least 24 hours. Now, question is this split off? I think it should. Yeah, there it goes. This just unscrews off. Then under here, we should have the battery. Okay, and it does come with a battery. Nice to know. Pull this out. Push this down. There you go. All right, let's go install it really quick. All right, well, first things first, I'm just gonna pop these out. Debating if I should take all of them out or just a couple, but I'm pretty sure that I can make do with a couple, but it won't hurt to pop them all out, I guess, because I don't want to be surprised when I'm hanging it. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so make sure the power is off when you attach those. And this just slides up in here like that. Okay, so that's attached. Now you just got this part here. Let's get it going. Okay, so there's a slot there. There's a slot there. Power goes in the middle. Really easy. Okay, and there it is. You'll see there's like a slot up there, and there's another one here on this part, and you just line them up and twist. Okay, so that's the third one. I put in 3 of them. Top floor, main floor, basement. And keep in mind that these kind of communicate with each other. So you can have a whole bunch of these, and when one goes off, they're all gonna go off. So really, they're number 1 when it comes to being safe in your environment, like in your home. Highly recommended, easy to install. Obviously, the first thing you should do if you ever get a new home or a new apartment or whatever, put in new smoke detectors. You're never gonna wanna use them, but if you need them, you have them.